Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Jam Desserts. Today, we will be making one of my favorites, the banana peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. So we have made a banana dessert together before, and it turned out great. So this one is going to turn out even better. So I love these cookies. These are like the best cookies that I've ever had. So they are a knockout. Make them for anybody that you love. This is a special edition of Jam Desserts because this is a competition edition. At my work, we are having a cookie bake-off tomorrow. So these cookies have to wow and amaze. I have already separated out some dry and wet ingredients for us. So we have our flour, our baking soda, we have some cornstarch, and we have salt in this bowl. And in this bowl we have our bananas, we have butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar. And when everything is combined, we are also going to add some vanilla. We are going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So here we go. Then we are going to put our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients, so we'll do that now. And we should mix until all incorporated. And then we're going to add our chocolate chips and our peanut butter chips. We'll be putting in a cup of each. But it's really not an exact science with the chocolate chips or the peanut butter chips. It's just kind of what you feel. That may seem like a lot of chips, but believe me, it's worth it. Lots of flavor. And once everything is incorporated, these have to chill in the refrigerator for half an hour. So we're gonna cover it with aluminum foil. Big shout out to my mom. This banana apron came from my mom, and she's awesome because she supports this show, and I love her very much. I am very excited about the competition tomorrow. I'm ready to win. I will keep you posted on the outcome of that. While we wait, as always, I'm gonna throw in a joke. The dough is all chilled and ready to put on the cookie sheets. So I've put down parchment paper instead of aluminum foil. That's what they asked for, so we're going with that. Here we go. All right, let's get these in the oven. While we wait, you knew that I was going to have to come up with some banana facts. So, here they are. Americans each year eat about 27 pounds of bananas per person per year. It's a lot of bananas. The scientific name for bananas is Musa sapientum, which means fruit of wise men. Interesting. Because of the oils in banana peels, you can actually rub the inside of a banana peel on a mosquito bite and it will keep it from itching. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to remember that one in the future. I hope you enjoyed those banana facts. All right, so they're in the oven. We'll let them sit for 10 to 12 minutes in the oven. I'd say check them starting after 8 minutes. All right, so here they are. Here are our finished products. They are looking delicious, looking excellent. I am so excited to bring these into the competition tomorrow. With these cookies, I can hear it. Da-na-na, da-na-na. I can hear the victory music in my head. Looks like another successful day in the Jam Kitchen. Thank you guys for making these with me, and I hope that you have fun making these at home. Eat some cookies, enjoy. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Thanks guys. Bye.